Hello again, everyone. We're carrying right on from where we left off in the last video. I really enjoyed that last mission. So far, the first, I think it's 3 missions, have taken 2 hours and 45 minutes. I think this is supposed to be the longest mission coming up, so I might break it into different parts. Let's get right into it.
10, Palace Gate is just ahead.
Look alive, people, they know we're coming. Fire at will!
Eyes on the roof! We got snipers!
They're falling back into the palace!
The bunker's behind the palace! Let's go!
After you, Case.
I did not see that guy to my right.
Don't stop! Push forward!
Let's go! Let's go! We go! Man down!
Adler, on me. We're going down.
We'll hold the area.
Be quick about it.
Hostiles inside! Elton! We're clear. Let's go.
This better be it. Really make you work for it, don't they?
Careful. Good God.
Saddam's hoarding millions down here.
Hell, this gold toilet's worth that much.
You trade it all for a WMD. We're close. Clear.
What the hell happened in here?
Biohazard cabinet. Must be the demonstration Alawi mentioned.
How about that hard case there? Check it out. What do we got?
The cradle.
Pantheon has a goddamn biological weapon. And they put this in Saddam's hands too?
A sample of it. Based on what I'm seeing in here.
What'd you find?
A disc. And some notes, all in Russian. The project's headed by Matvey Gusev.
Sounds like you know him.
I recognize the name. Gusev was a scientist in the Soviet Union's biological weapons program, Biopreparat. Intelligence had him fleeing Russia last year. Then he vanished.
Gusev gave the Pantheon a Soviet bioweapon?
No. According to this, the cradle came from somewhere else. A research facility I'm familiar with. It's American.
American?
All right, visiting time's over, you three. We need your help up here.
Head to top side. Let's move.
Get what you wanted?
Not exactly. But we got what we needed.
We need to clear a pickup zone. Let's get to the palace rooftop.
RPG up there!
Who are these people?
RPG up there!
Who are these people?
One down.
Hostile spotted.
Up the rope. Case, let's go.
Grenade, move! Grenade out!
Rooftop's clear.
Pantheon helos incoming.
Jackal 1-1, you got an enemy bird to the east. Tango's on the ground approaching your position. Copy that! Let's give them what we got!
We've got a stash of weapons over here. Need air support.
Vehicle confirmed.
Pantheon helos incoming.
Jackal 1-1, you've got an enemy bird to the east. Tango's on the ground approaching your position. Copy that! Let's give them what we got! I'm out.
He's on the way.
Where's our expert?
Jackal 1, this is Talon 1. We're halfway clear position. Prepare for extraction.
Talon 1, too hot! We got enemy halos in the air!
Roger, maintaining distance.
They keep coming!
Pantheon helos incoming.
Jackal 1-1, you've got an enemy bird to the east. Tango's on the ground approaching your position. Copy that! Let's give them what we got!
We've got a stash of weapons over here. Need air support. Bunch of Pantheon and Iraqis on the way.
Where's our exfil?
Jackal 1, this is Talon 1. We'll have a quick clear position. Prepare for extraction.
Talon 1, too hot! We got enemy halos in the air!
Roger, maintaining distance.
They keep coming!
RPG!
Talon 1, airspace is clear. Get over here.
Moving in, Jackal 1.
Get ready. We need suppression.
Descending.
Go, go, go! Come on, load up! Get ready. We need suppression.
Descending. Going vertical.
Come on, target is yours. Confirmed. Incoming.
Enjoy the view!
Going out with a bang, Park.
You've been saving that one, haven't you?
It's good seeing you again.
Well, look at that, Adler. We actually agree on something.
The Pantheon has a biological weapon. The papers we found in that bunker, they had a name attached. Matt V. Gusev, a Soviet weapons scientist. We think he's still in Iraq, somewhere. Adler's volunteered to stay behind and track his ass down. I'll have Felix examine the disc we found while the rest of us investigate the origin of the cradle. If Adler's right, this thing may have come from a research facility on U.S. soil. A Soviet scientist and an American bioweapon. What the hell are we getting into?
You've asked Harrow about this supposed research facility.
She's not picking up. Told her to look into Livingston.
You think something's happened to her?
If it has, it's my fault.
The weight of the world on your shoulders. We know the risks.
Yeah, well, this isn't exactly what I imagined.
Because it's not just about you.
How'd you feel about coming with me in case stateside?
I'd consider it.
Felix still in the kitchen.
Don't complain. We ate well while you were off wandering the desert.
He should be decrypting the disk Adler found. We need whatever's on it. Hey, Chef, you cracked that disk yet?
Patience, please. Cryptography is like preparing pufferfish. Rush through it and risk losing everything.
Okay.
Is he planning to serve us pufferfish?
Hey, you said no complaining.
I did, didn't I? Let me know when we're close to leaving. Case. Need something before we go? What? Over the acting? Please. Not worth the energy. Contrary to Marshall's manly sensibilities, I could have helped. But you made it back alive, so... A very long 10 miles down the mountain. To the nearest town. Rustic, you might call it. Place was depressing. But I hate having nothing to do, and I wasn't keen on being cooped up here with Woods. Oh, that's not fair. I need to generate revenue, Case. Taking down Avalon's crime factions isn't cheap. Don't get me wrong. You have a noble pursuit. But it isn't my fight. I'm not American. Don't have a misguided sense of patriotism like Marshall over there. Adler's only interested in whatever connections Avalon has to the Pantheon, if any. He could care less about my own mission, or anyone else's for that matter. Don't expect any bleeding heart behavior from him. Stay strong.
Fuck me!
Yo, ask for help, man.
Fuck you too!
Fine, have fun.
Does it look like I'm having fun?
That's not what I meant. You got dealt a bad hand. Adler believed the Pantheon gained access to a military research facility called Advanced Technologies and Applications.
Sounds impressive.
It's located in eastern Kentucky. The building is marked as Cosper Solutions on the surface. Underneath, it's a whole different story.
This place looks pretty remote. Nothing but forest and hills. We should park a few miles out, hike the rest of the way in.
Once we're inside, our target is the biotechnology wing. Adler thinks that's where the Cradle may have come from. We need some answers on what this thing does.
Didn't you say Adler worked there at some point?
Briefly, about 10 years ago. He mentioned unusual, classified programs there using human subjects. Then suddenly the place was shut down and quarantined after a biohazard incident.
The Cradle.
It's sure looking that way. Seb, how's it going on your side?
Still looking for a way in. The north doors are totally sealed. You?
Case and I are in South Gate utility entrance. Looks like someone's been through here recently. Used the freight elevator. Chain's broken. All right, mask on. Your turn. Hey, stop! Hang on, I've got... Hey!
alive, that's something. 7-9 will look for another way down. I'll let you know once we're inside. Go ahead and see if you can find the biotech entrance. Be careful. Try to limit any more exposure. Whatever's needed.
Okay, we are fully tripping out here. Since when is this a horror?
Attention all staff and visitors. We are currently experiencing a hazardous material incident. Attention all staff and visitors. We are currently experiencing a hazardous material incident. This is not a drill.
Biotechnology restricted. Please see security for access.
It's for you.
Fantastic to see you again, Case 1. How have you been feeling? A friendly reminder that most of the facility is off limits to patients. I hope you understand.
Welcome back, Case.
Biotechnology restricted by Security Access 4. 4 director keycards required for entry.
A hazardous material event is ongoing. Please evacuate. Upon evacuating the building, please remain in the parking lot. Staff and visitors should wait in the line corresponding to the first letter of their last name.
Director keycard required.
Please report suspicious behavior to your immediate supervisor. If you see something, say something.
Bringing back memories yet? We thought we'd never see this place again. Those are the stairs we want. Don't worry, the cradle can't hurt us anymore. We're special. Special since we first experienced the cradle. Ten years ago.
Good morning. Welcome to Advanced Combat Research. ACR employees are reminded that authorized safety equipment must be worn on the testing floor at all times.
Case might be having conversations. Radio south for a while now.
Hey, so you getting any of this?
Left out of order.
Clouds of this shit everywhere. Looks like the whole place is toxic.
You don't think you can get through skin, do you?
Something like that.
Reminder that weapons blocked away and Grappling hook platforms should be safety locked when not in testing.
If you've made it to advanced combat research, you must have friends in high places. And they probably got there using one of the most cutting...
corpse. But also, why are we fighting an abomination? Like, they couldn't have made new bosses, they're just reusing assets like this?
Excellent work, Case. 3 more keycards to go. Try another way up. Look up. Stronger and faster than the rest, Case. That's what the cradle was originally designed to do.
Okay, sit rep. Haven't heard from you at all. Everything okay?
Yeah, sounds like it's coming from one of the lower floors. Hey,
Director keycard required.
Corresponding to the first letter of their last name.
Director keycard required. Director keycard required.
Do not return to collect
Director
possession.
keycard accepted.
Evacuate immediately. Thank you. Airflow control is currently malfunctioning.
Someone left something important inside that bathysphere case. There it is.
Control room access gate opened.
We'll need to drain the water to get to it.
state-of-the-art neuroscience technology. We're exploring the previously unimagined possibilities of the human mind.
Drain switch locked. Drain switch locked.
Drain switches 1, 2, and 3 are locked. Override timer initiated. 25 seconds remaining. Seconds remaining. 5, 4, 3, 2. Manual override expired. Sequence reset.
Don't give up, Case.
Okay, since we're about to start another boss fight, I assume, I'm going to end it here. The total time taken is now 3 hours and 45 minutes, about there. And, I don't know how to feel about the zombies. It's strange that they put this in.